Hi, thanks for watching and welcome to another Nighttime Nibbles food review. And in this one, I'm going to be having a go on this. As it's Easter week, I guess I should be doing some chocolate. So there we go, look. Quality Street Orange Crunch, or favourites inspired by Orange Crunch, which, if you look there, that is the little orange sweet that come out of the tin that we all buy at Christmas. Now we've got a traffic light system. Hopefully you can see that, but we'll skim over that in a minute. Right, let's have a look what's on the new allergen information. Ooh. Right, so we've got know you're serving 2 pieces equals 1 serving. Allergens. Right, what do I say? Milk chocolate with an orange flavoured filling, 44%, and boiled sugar pieces, 5%. Milk chocolate contains milk solids, 14%, minimum, and vegetable fats in addition to cocoa butter. Milk chocolate contains cocoa solids, 26% minimum. Right, ingredients. Right, allergens are milk, hazelnut paste, and soya. Peanuts may contain peanuts. Are the tree nuts, boo-boo? You can't have these anyway. Right, so it's suitable for vegetarians. Quality Street contains no artificial colours, flavours or preservatives. What do I say under here? Anything interesting? Nestle Cocoa Plan is supporting farmers for better chocolate. Nestle and the Rainforest Alliance work together to help improve the lives of cocoa farmers and the quality of their product. Well, let's hope they are, because it's a good thing if they are. Right, now that traffic light system, let's have a look at that. So we've got 3 reds and 1 green, and this is for 2 pieces. No idea how many grams that is. The whole bar is 84 grams. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 2 pieces is 8. Hang on. 8.4, 16. 16.8 grams then. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 16.8 grams. This is. Let's get back to it. Bobo, go on, my man. Down you go. Good lad. Good boy. That's it. Right, fat is 5.9 grams. Saturates, that's a red. Another red, saturates 3.8 grams. Sugars is another red, 8.6 grams. Salt is 0.03 of 1 gram. And that is the green. Right, okay. So we've got 84 grams here. How much did it cost? Where is it? Now, B&M. I think I bought this from B&M for £1. £1. So it's just over a penny a gram. Right, let's get into it. Let's have a taste up. Let's get it on the plate, because otherwise... Oh, that's interesting. So you got rounded... Oh, that stink. Really smell of orange. Rounded edges on the corners. Surely you're losing a bit of chocolate, are you? I don't know. Right, let's try it. Is it inspired by that? Yeah, inspired by Orange Crunch. So it's not like a a flat version of the Orange Crunch. It's not as good as the Orange Crunch. There's loads more chocolate compared to the orange crunchy bits, like what you get in the actual Quality Street. I'm not overly impressed, to be fair. Right, let's give it a score then. Would I buy it again? Nah. I mean, the price is right. I don't think I'd buy it again now. So for that reason, I'm going to give it a 7.5. And that will not get it up on the scoreboard. So there we go. 7.5 for that. Not overly impressed with it. It's way more chocolatey than I thought it would be compared to the orange. It's orangey. It does taste orangey. There's just not enough crunch in there. But it does say it's only inspired by the Orange Crunch. It's not like replicating it in a different shape and into a bar. So it's only inspired. Well, it didn't inspire me enough, I'm afraid. So there we are, guys. That is another Nighttime Nibbles food review. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll join me and old Boo Boo, the sunbathing kid, also known as the Custard Kid, again soon on another video. Take care, guys. Hey Boo Boo, where are you? Not interested, my man? Don't blame you, to be fair.